Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you tired of your measuring tools in the kitchen just getting bent or broken or stained? This beautiful set from Malmo is a set of measuring cups as well as spoons that will really help you in all of your daily kitchen needs, and they're nice and durable and pretty as well. This set comes with 4 measuring cups, and you can see that everything is made out of that black matte stainless steel finish. These are legit, really nice measuring cups that are sturdy feeling, and I really love the wooden handles, which make it really easy when you're doing all of your mixing. The spoons are also made out of that same stainless steel, really fine metal pieces, and you get 6 different measuring spoons that really are feeling durable. They're hooked together by the key ring, but you can also take that off if it's easier for you. These pieces were easy to wash, and they're also really durable if you put them in the dishwasher, so you know that they're going to last for a long time. What I really also like is that the measurements are very accurate. I compared them with another set that I had, and everything matched up very well. I'm just so happy to have a really professional and nice set for the kitchen area so that I can do all of my cooking needs. If you're looking for a set that is going to make you feel like you've upped your game in the kitchen and you know they're going to last for a long time, this is definitely the way to go. This is a beautiful measuring set that gives you everything that you need so that you can really be a chef in the kitchen. And that's my point of view.